all excited to know more about stock market. For today's video we were going to tackle about a book review about stock market. This book review is all about Investing QuickStart Guide by Ted Snow. These are the key takeaways from this book. The Investing QuickStart Guide offers a simplified but expansive introduction to the world of investing. Author Ted Snow brings 30 years of experience in the finance industry, much to the benefit of novice learners and experienced investors alike. Snow provides readers with the complete picture of stocks, bonds, treasuries, ETFs, mutual funds, indexes, REITs, and several other investment securities. Investing is usually thought of as a complex and difficult thing that many people tend to avoid. They avoid it due to the fear of loss and because they think it is too complex and hard to understand. Many would-be investors stay away from the stock market because they do not want to put their hard-earned money at risk. Risk is a very important factor that should be considered very seriously by investors. The mark of an excellent investor is to consistently outperform the market. Over time, the total stock market's average growth is 8%. You should expect your advisor to have an ethics statement as well as to be fully transparent about their fees. However, he did not emphasize enough that they need to be explicit about whether they are legally required to act as your fiduciary or not. If they're not your fiduciary, there is no incentive for them not to push you into riskier investments where they might have a commission you don't know about. Snow also touches on annuities, value stocks versus growth stocks, day trading and penny stocks. Even a few philosophical issues are broached near the end, including ethics and social responsibility through investing. Financial literacy, or the lack of it, is a real problem for many people, and to find advice such as this provided by Snow fills an important gap. His general advice can be summarized fairly simply. 1. Get good advice. 2. Prepare to be in for the long haul. 3. Don't expect to get wealthy overnight. There is, of course, much more to it. The market always, as Snow assures us, improves. Even after dramatic falls, it picks up again. You just have to wait. So many of them hype risky strategies, pushing more speculation than sound investing. This is not one of those books. I found it to give a good, solid overview of the investing landscape, from the perspective of an individual investors. A robust investment strategy forms the basis of any wealth-building journey. If your money isn't working hard on your behalf, it's slowly being devalued by inflation. It has never been more accessible, or critical, for everyday investors to start investing in the stock market. Part 1. Key Asset Classes, brings readers into the fold by thoroughly examining asset allocation, securities, and real estate. Part 2. Investment Strategies and Tactics, moves from the what and delves into the how and why, with a look at short and long-term strategies. What to consider when calculating growth, and the areas where investors can be hamstrung by their mentality, among others. Part 3, Getting in the Game, takes the baton and sprints into decisions, who to consult with, services, taxes, and a host of other follow-through details. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many new things about the stock market. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Also, follow our Facebook page to learn more about the stock market.